Alright, me and the wife are going to officially test out this track and work out some kinks. I've already found some bad joints. We're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to run the two Loves cars. Number 34 camo and 34 yellow. It should be fun. She hasn't run this track yet, and I've run it a few times, so I might have an advantage over her. We shall see. Now, I've only put up a few guardrails here and there. The one's right here on the curve, this curve, and the other curve over there, because I've already lost one of the trucks and bent the axle, because I was getting a little stupid. But I fixed it. So right now, it's just temporary. I need guardrails. I haven't decided which ones I actually want, so I'm only using the ones out of the Love sets. So definitely need something back there and something back there. Plus, this track might not even be the permanent layout that I want. I'm not sure yet. So let's rig this camera on a tripod. I can't get the whole room in, so we'll start with this angle and do the next angle later. Let's have some fun. Can't get the whole track in there, so we're just going to see this part. Ready, go. Uh-oh. Tammy is the yellow car. She crashes already. And I am the camouflage Loves car. Alright, whoop, up. Oh, crash. Ready, go. Come on, woman. Crash. I'm going to get you on that curve every time. Gotcha. Now you got scared of that curve, didn't you? Come on. Oh, she hit me. Oh, same lane, same lane. I'm pushing her. Oh, I put you on the wrong lane, didn't I? Get that.
See how you cheat?
Get that. Zoom! Alright, here it comes. I'm coming after this. You get too hairy on that curve. That curve gets you every time. Same lane, same lane. Might have to color coordinate the lane. You don't like this curve, do you?
No. I want to go fast.
You can't go fast on that curve. You gotta finesse your throttle. Oh, just like I did not do.
I'll wait for you.
Oh, you ain't gonna wait for me. I'm gonna pass you. See? Told you I'd pass you. That curve is the killer. I even took out the 9-inch curves and make them a little less sharp. Gotcha. What's going to do about that? Oh, you wrecked me. I'll see how you are. I'm a cheater.
I'm a lot ahead. You're gonna catch me.
Oh, I'll catch you. Oh, I see what it is. I'm fishtailing on that curve.
Like I just did.
Yep. Yeah, as soon as you get right here, it swings out like that. And then snaps back. And I don't got a guardrail here, so you're doing the same thing. Ha! Find out these little quirks in the track. Gotcha. Crash.
You get your lot back?
I'll wait for you. Oh, see? Did the fishtail. That needs a guardrail. We're going to be doing that way too many times. Let's try from this angle for a little bit. Come on. Yeah, there ain't no guardrail. You gotta finesse that throttle a bit more. Oh, dang it. Oh, it's coming to get you too. Dang it. I had you. I knocked you off. Yeah, this curve is deadly. We definitely got to slow down for this one. Gotcha! Gotcha! Ah. You better get your laps back. That's on. That's on. Gotcha. See ya. Ooh, that turned good, didn't it? Oh, we both crashed. Oh, that angle is fun too.